In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your parental controls pin here in Fortnite quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications turned on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you forgot your parental controls pin and you need to reset it, here's exactly what you're going to want to do. First, from the Fortnite lobby, just press the, profile picture up in the top right. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and once you're in this page right here, head over to your settings, and in your settings you'll see a parental controls option. You may have to select this and then scroll down a little bit in order to find parental controls, but find it on here. If you don't see it, back out of this section, hit that profile picture again and go to this little 3 lines option and then hit parental controls, and this is where you're going to see your parental controls pin. Inside this section you're going to see an option that says Forgot PIN. Go ahead and select that, and when you do this, Fortnite will redirect you to an Epic Games website, and it's going to ask you to reset your PIN. Go ahead and confirm. At this point, it's not going to instantly reset. Instead, Epic Games will send a PIN reset email to the email address connected to that account, so you got to go ahead and check that email inbox and make sure to check your spam or promotions if you don't see it. Open it up though, hit reset pin, and then reset it, and then it will go ahead and allow you to update that code. From here, you can go ahead and type in that new code after going through with that, and you're good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.